Recognition and counting. Read and write numbers to 20. Recap. We use numbers to show how many things there are. Here are the numbers 1 to 10. Sometimes there are more than 10 things, so we need more numbers. Numbers between 10 and 20 are called teen numbers. Teen means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are two teen numbers that don't end in the word teen. These are 11 and 12. 1, 10 and 1, 1 is 11. 1 10 and 2 ones is 12. 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14. 1 10 and 5 ones is 15. 1 10 and 6 ones is 16. 1 10 and 7 ones, 17. 1 10 and 8 ones is 18. 1 10 and 9 ones is 19. 2 tens is 20. 20 is not a teen number. Who has number 12? We need to choose the right letter. Let's look at the numbers. 12 looks like this, 1 and 2. Choose the right letter, letter C. Tick the right answer, letter C. May makes a card for her sister who's going to be 18. Did May write the correct age on the card? Let's look at the word and the number. The word is 18. You write 18 as 1 and 8. That's 18. Let's tick the right answer. Yes, May did make the card right. Remember, the numbers between 10 and 20 are called teen numbers. In maths, teen means 10. There are two teen numbers that don't end in the word teen. They're 11 and 12. Teen numbers all have two digits, 1 10 and the units.